He chose her, not you. And you still don't understand why. Because you did everything right. You were there. You cared. You gave him everything. And still, he didn't choose you. That's the part that hurts the most. Not losing him, but realizing it was never going to be you. Because you were never the choice. You were the option. The one he kept around. The one he talked to when it was convenient. The one he came back to when nothing else worked out. The one who was always there. So he never had to worry about losing you. And that is exactly why he never chose you. Because a man does not commit to what he already has without effort. And you gave him everything before he had to earn it. No tension, no uncertainty, no reason to step up, just comfort. And comfort does not create commitment. Now here's the truth most women avoid. It was never about her being better than you. It was about her being different. She didn't give everything immediately. She didn't try to secure him. She didn't act like a girlfriend before he made her one. She let him feel that being with her required something. Effort, consistency, presence. And when a man feels that he has to earn you, he starts to invest. And when he invests, he starts to value. And what a man values, he doesn't leave undefined. He chooses it clearly. Now here's where it gets uncomfortable. You were afraid that asking for more would push him away. So you asked for less. You accepted less. You tolerated less. And by doing that, you taught him something. You taught him that less was enough for you. And a man will never choose a woman who has already accepted less than she deserves. Read that again. He didn't choose her because she was perfect. He chose her because she made him show up. You made it easy to stay. She made it necessary to step up. And that difference changes everything. Because the woman who is trying to be chosen gives more, explains more, waits more. But the woman who is choosing observes, decides, walks when she is not chosen. And that is the moment everything shifts. Because the moment you stop accepting being an option is the moment you become a decision. Not because he changed, because you did. You were his option. She was his choice. And now you understand why. Not to blame yourself, but to change your position. Because the woman who gets chosen is not the one who gave the most. She is the one who refused to be kept without being chosen. If something in this hit you, subscribe. Because here, we don't just talk about love. We change how you experience it.